In this video, you'll learn how to delete your messages on eBay. Following these steps will help you maintain a clean and organized inbox, which is essential for efficient communication with buyers and sellers. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the section labeled My eBay. You can find this option typically on the top right corner of the home page. After selecting My eBay, look for the Messages link in the drop-down menu or on the left sidebar. This area contains all of your communication with other eBay users. Once you are in the Messages section, browse through your inbox to locate the specific conversation you wish to delete. It is advisable to review the content of the message carefully, especially if it contains transaction details or important information. Keep in mind that eBay retains some records for policy purposes, which means not all messages can be permanently deleted. Reviewing messages ensures that you do not accidentally remove something important. After identifying the conversation you want to delete, open the message thread, look for a delete or trash icon, which is usually represented by a trash can symbol. In some instances, you may need to check a box next to the conversation to select it. Once you've selected the conversation, choose the delete option, ensuring you are certain about removing it from your inbox. Remember that this action typically only deletes the message from your view. The other party may still have access to it. Following your selection of the delete option, a confirmation prompt may appear on your screen. If prompted, confirm that you wish to proceed with the deletion. After confirming, the conversation will either move to your deleted folder or be removed entirely from your inbox. Take a moment to check your message area to verify that the conversation has been cleared. eBay may still retain certain communications for their internal records, especially for dispute resolution purposes. Regularly cleaning your inbox not only helps with organization, but also enhances your ability to manage ongoing communications with active buyers. By keeping your messages organized, you can respond more efficiently and focus on current transactions. This practice is beneficial for maintaining a streamlined eBay account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.